Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to restart an OPPO phone without using the power button. First, launch settings and enter the additional settings category. Go to accessibility, then accessibility menu, and turn on the shortcut. To reboot your device without using physical buttons, tap the accessibility menu shortcut. This will launch the power menu. Drag the slider upwards to the restart option. As you can see, the OPPO device is successfully restarted. That's it for this simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye.